It's not a monster, don't you see? It sounds like a disability. They climb up close to take a peek and find the cause that makes it shriek. A giant knows a log stuck deep that makes the mighty mountain weep. No fight or force, a gentle deed to help a friend in time of need. Trick to be released. A rope, a bow, a careful aim to free the giant from its pain. The music plays, the giant sighs. He closes his enormous eyes. A little climber, bold and small, answers a silent giant's call. With one strong pull, the log takes flight and ends the terrifying night. A peaceful breath, a calm so deep, the giant quietly falls asleep. A glowing gift, a stone so warm, to keep its savior safe from harm. No longer fear, but friendship's birth upon the quiet, peaceful earth. So when you hear a frightening roar, look for the truth, seek out the core. The bravest thing you'll ever do is help the one who frightens you. For every giant great and tall might need your help after